The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, welcome back to our English class. Children, in the previous class we learned about the use of has and have. We use has and have to talk about the things that belong to us. This has and have are used in sentences to talk about the things that belong to us. Has is used with he, she, it. We use have with I, you, we, they. Children, today we will learn about question words. We have already learned question words in our previous lessons, isn't it? Which are the question words? Yes, what, which, who. The question words what, which and who help us to frame questions. Which are the question words? What, which, who, why, when are all question words. The question word what is used to ask questions about animals or things. What is used to ask question about animals or things. Example, what is your pet's name? What are you doing? Then who? Who is used to ask questions about people. Who is used to ask questions about people. Okay? Who is your class teacher? Who is your friend? Then which? Which is used to ask question about things. We use the question word which to ask question about things. Example, which is your car? Which is your book? Okay? So children, we use what, which, who, why, when to ask questions. The question word what is used to ask questions about animals or things. Then the question word who is used to ask questions about people. Then which? The question word which is used to ask question about things. Children, hope you understood this section. Open page number 42. Here is an example. Write the answers of other two questions. Underline the question word. The one is done for you. Who is at the door? It is the postman. So, you have to answer the next two questions. That is, you can write it by yourself. Okay? And in page number 43, there is an activity. That is, you have to work in teams. But now we will do it by ourselves. Okay? Who likes swimming? Who likes the color blue? Which? So, you have to fill in this column. Fill in this column, that is, which is given, you have to frame the question. So, we'll ask, which is your pencil? Okay? In the next column, Dash has a pet. So, when we ask about people, is the question word? Who? Who has a pet? Then next column, it is with what. So what is used to ask about animals or things? Or you can write,
What is in the box?
Dash plays a musical instrument. So which is the question word here? Yes. Who plays a musical instrument? So in page number 44, the continuation of this activity, you will do it by yourself. Okay? And also the activities that are given in companion, that is 7E, 7F and 7G by yourself. Okay? Okay, we will meet in the next session. Bye. See you.